For over 50 years, Crommelin has been at the forefront of innovative technology in the field of construction chemicals. Crommelin is 100% Australian-owned with a national and international distribution network. They are a key provider of world-class waterproofing and protective coating systems that are effective and reliable in a wide variety of conditions. With a proven track record of sound technical advice and award-winning research and development, it's no surprise that Crommelin's range of products are the construction industry's preferred choice. Whether you're constructing a new house or renovating an existing building, you will be going through the process of waterproofing wet areas. These include shower recesses, floor areas in bathrooms and laundries, as well as balcony areas that are to be tiled. High-performance waterproofing adds structural value and integrity to a property. By installing a waterproofing membrane system with high flexibility, it will accommodate movement and other factors which occur within buildings over time. This avoids the annoying cost and inconvenience of extensive repairs in the event of water damage to a building. The key advantages of Cromproof Wetite are: it's highly flexible. Wetite has been tested to have elongation of over 320%, providing the ability to accommodate for cracking in surfaces due to movement of building materials over time. It's chemical resistant. Wetite has been tested to resist exposure to acids, alkalis and salts, as are commonly found with the use of cleaning products over time. Wetite's adhesive strength ensures a strong, intimate bond to a wide variety of substrates, as well as providing a rough, keyed finish for subsequent tile adhesives or screeds. It's water-based, making it safe to use and quick drying. It's compliant with the building code and Australian standards. Following the installation system recommended by Crommelin will ensure compliance with the requirements of the Building Code of Australia and AS 3740. Wetite is classified by AS 4858 as a Class 3 membrane. How to install. Clean and prepare the surfaces thoroughly before commencing waterproofing. Ensure that all substrates have a smooth and uniform finish. Ensure there is enough material to treat the area. 1 litre of Wetite is required to treat each square metre. Bond breakers should be installed at joints and corners where movement in the substrate may occur. A bond breaker will prevent adhesion of Wetite to the substrate when cracking occurs, thus protecting the membrane from splitting or cracking itself. Polyfab BB is Crommelin's unique bond breaker design, incorporating reinforcing from a polyester fabric with an effective self-adhesive bond breaker. Polyfab BB is installed by first peeling the backing paper off the self-adhesive middle section of the fabric. Line up the center of the adhesive tape with the corner or joint. Gently fold the fabric and adhere the fabric into the corner, ensuring no wrinkles or creases are formed. Another way to achieve a bond breaker is to apply a flexible bead of polyurethane or silicone into the corners and over joints. A proven product for use with Wetite is a neutral cure silicone such as B&L Pro Seal 100. This product is flexible, is compatible with Wetite, and provides an effective bond breaker. Mask any areas where necessary. Apply sealant to a width of 12 mm into corners, around penetrations, and over joints using a sealant gun. Using a finger, wipe over the sealant to leave a smooth finish. Allow to dry for approximately 1 hour before overcoating with Wetite. Open the Wetite container and stir the product with a flat paddle or a paint mixer. Ensure that any material in the bottom of the container is stirred to the top. When applying Wetite over polyfab, it is important to ensure the fabric is completely bonded to the substrate. This is achieved by folding back the unadhered section of fabric and, using a brush, apply a strip of Wetite directly to the substrate. Immediately fold back the fabric into the primed surface. Ensure there are no creases in the polyfab. Allow the polyfab to completely dry. The wrong way to install polyfab is to simply brush out the Wetite over the polyfab without first priming the underlying surface. As you can see, in this case the fabric will not be thoroughly wet and not fully adhere to the surface. When installing fabric around penetrations and over joints, cut the polyfab into a shape or shapes to be applied around a plumbing penetration or drain outlet. Before installing the fabric, prime the areas with Wetite. Then install the polyfab and using a brush thoroughly wet the fabric. Always ensure effective drying is achieved by allowing enough ventilation, especially if temperatures are low or there is high humidity. Apply the first full coat of Wetite to all areas at the correct coverage rate. After the bond breaker and reinforcing has been installed to all corners and penetrations, a first coat of Wetite can be applied to the surface. To achieve an even film thickness, the best method is to use a roller with a medium nap. Apply using even and smooth passes with the roller. Apply to walls first before applying to floors. This ensures easy access to the walls. Allow the first coat to dry for approximately 2 hours. Apply the second full coat of Wetite to all areas at the correct coverage rate. The second coat should be applied at an angle of 90 degrees to the first coat. This ensures that no areas or high points have been missed and that an even film thickness is achieved. Allow the whole system to cure for no less than 3 days before installing either a screed or tile adhesive. Ensure the Wetite system is protected from rough foot traffic or damage from other tradesmen during the curing period. Further information on the Wetite system and its installation can be obtained at crommelin.com.au.